Hi there, I'm Mary Susie from Bead Me a Story, and today I'm going to show you how to make extra long chains using 3 different sets of techniques. Now you can see up here, these are my wrap bracelets, or they can be necklace chains, okay? And these are really tiny chains. Just show you here how small this is. Okay, and this is the kit portion. So I have these available for you in a kit. They come with all the Miyuki spacer beads that you need and all the jump rings that you need, as well as this nifty little clasp. I love these clasps because even in a longer chain, you could insert them into different parts and make your work interchangeable. Okay, so you can put them at different lengths of the piece and make it so that you could, double the chain sometimes, have it be 2 chains, but then you could connect it so you could wear it as 1 chain at different times. So let me just show you the different portions. So as I said, this chain portion that I'm showing you, this is going to be the kit. But also there's going to be 2 other videos. The next video I'm going to show is how to create these neat little links. Okay, so these are just wired together, and this is going to use some simple wire techniques, some wire wrapping, some wire looping, and a little bit of chainmail to link it all together. So that part's fun, and you can make these with different beads. You don't have to use the same beads as I used, but this adds an interesting new texture to your chain. And then lastly, I'm going to do another video showing you a unique new technique that I've developed for adding seed bead into my chain. Now you'll notice that the seed beads I'm using are very small. All of these are either 4 millimeters wide or less. And you can see that this portion has a lot of tiny seed beads in it. And the other portion that I did to match this has more gemstone beads in it and more of the 4 millimeter size beads. But this part is strung onto Fireline. This part with these little teacup beads and tubes is wired. And then of course the chain kit is all chainmail with beads. So we're going to explore all of these different parts, and you can see in my other one, in the patina one, I'm going to show you how to do orbital coverings and wiring in this, and I'll just show you this section. Okay, and this will be a separate video to show you how to do this work. So it'll depend on your bead stash, and I will endeavor to have some of these beads available to you online, but I do think it's always fun to be able to make parts of a chain, dip into your bead stash, see what resources you have, and kind of build a multi-textural, gemstone oriented long necklace that can be worn in a lot of different ways. And then, like I said, these can even be bracelets, so you can make it into a wrap bracelet, or if you want to use some of these other portions and work that into a wrap bracelet, you can do that too. So this is going to be really fun. I did it in different segments, mainly for the benefit of the fact that I'm showing it on YouTube. And if you're not familiar with my company, it's Bead Me a Story, and I specialize in chainmail kits and seed bead kits and other things too. So I wanted to make this so that I could kind of introduce you. If you're just on YouTube and finding this, I could introduce you to some of the types of things that we do and to our kits, but as well as some of our free tutorials as well. So let's get started.